Hey Cub Scouts, welcome to this year's Christmas project. This year we're going to make a Christmas wreath with LED lights that are battery powered using only a hot glue gun and a wire cutter. First we need to find some branches. Go look in your yard or your neighbor's yard if you have permission and find some branches that are brightly colored or interesting looking. Cut them about as long as your arm and about a 1/4 inch in diameter or no bigger than your little finger. I found that a grocery bag that looks like this will easily make one healthy looking wreath. I used a permanent marker in this jig to make some perfect circles on a scrap piece of material. This will help your wreath have a perfect circle on the inside and the outside. Next I drew 2 lines on the scrap piece of material, one about 10 inches long and one about 5 inches long. Then I had my Cub Scout cut all the branches so that they were shorter than the longest line and longer than the shortest line. Next, I started laying out my branches so that they fit inside the 2 circles that I'd drawn. You might notice that I got a little bit excited about the project here and I forgot to let my Cub Scout help for a little bit. Now, we warm up the hot glue gun and we connect all those little branches where they touch each other. Every intersection that you put a little dot of glue on makes the wreath stronger. Keep doing this until the wreath looks as big and as filled in as you want it. This is where our circles are going to come in handy. Put the wreath in the middle of your circles and trim off all the little branches that stick outside of the big circle or inside the small circle. Now we get to string our lights. Place the lights around the wreath and tangle them up in the branches a little bit, and just like you glued the intersections between the branches, put a little dot of glue on the wire to hold it to your wreath. If you want, put some more branches on top of your lights and glue them on the same way you did before. This will make the lights look like they're inside the wreath just a little bit. Once you're happy with how everything looks, turn the wreath over and glue the little battery pack to the back of the wreath. I was happy with how this turned out, but maybe you want to personalize it a little bit. Think about pine cones or maybe some berries or a bow. Either way, you get to be proud that you're giving a gift that you made yourself. Have fun!